Does the thought of feeling unsteady on your feet ever make you hesitate? It's that worry that can make you think twice about taking a simple walk, playing with the grandkids, or even just moving through your own home with confidence. It's a fear that can subtly shrink your world and chip away at your independence. That feeling, even for a split second, that your balance might betray you is unsettling. It can plant a seed of doubt that grows into a constant anxiety, causing you to move less, see less, and ultimately, live less. But what if I told you that you could take a huge, powerful step towards rebuilding your stability and regaining the confidence to walk on any surface? And what if it started with just 2 simple stretches you can do in the next few minutes? Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly what they are. For so many of us over 60, the fear of falling isn't some vague idea. It's a daily reality. The CDC reports that 1 in 4 older adults will fall each year, and falls are the top cause of injuries, both fatal and non-fatal, for this age group. But statistics don't tell the whole story, do they? They don't capture those quiet decisions we make every day to play it safe. Skipping a walk on a beautiful but uneven path, saying no thank you to an event because you spotted a flight of stairs, finding yourself gripping countertops just to get around your own kitchen. This isn't just about physical safety, it's about your quality of life. The world can start to feel like a minefield, and our own homes, which should be our havens, can feel treacherous. This fear creates a dangerous cycle. The less we move, the weaker and stiffer our muscles get. As we age, muscles naturally tend to shorten and lose elasticity. This drop in flexibility and strength is a direct hit to our balance, making a fall more likely. And when that happens, it just reinforces the fear of moving. It's a frustrating loop that can feel impossible to break. But I'm here to tell you, it's not only possible to break it, but it's simpler than you think. You don't need a gym, you don't need fancy equipment, and you don't need a grueling workout routine. All you need is a chair and a few minutes. While a complete fall prevention plan includes balance and strength training, a critical first step is improving flexibility in 2 specific areas of your body: the front of your thighs and your ankles. Physical therapists and fall prevention experts agree that unlocking mobility in these key areas is a fantastic starting point for improving your coordination and boosting your confidence. So, what are these 2 foundational stretches? They are the standing quadriceps stretch and seated ankle circles. It sounds almost too simple, but the why behind them is what makes them so effective. Let's start with your quadriceps. These are the big muscles on the front of your thighs, and they're the powerhouses for getting up from a chair, walking, and climbing stairs. When these muscles get tight, often from sitting for long periods, they can pull on your pelvis, messing with your posture and even causing back pain. Most importantly, tight quads can disrupt your natural stride, making your movements less efficient and less stable. Then, there are your ankles. Think of your ankles as your body's personal balancing system. They're constantly making tiny adjustments to keep you steady, especially on uneven ground. But as we get older, stiffness can creep in, limiting that vital range of motion. Stiff ankles just can't adapt as quickly, which raises your risk of a trip or a wobble. Improving your ankle mobility is like fine-tuning the very foundation that keeps you upright. These 2 stretches directly target those problems. They're gentle, safe, and incredibly effective. So, let's get started. Just one important reminder: please talk with your doctor or a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program. And as we do these, listen to your body. We're aiming for a gentle stretch, never pain. Alright, our first stretch is the standing quadriceps stretch. This is a classic for a reason. It directly lengthens those powerful thigh muscles we talked about, easing tightness and improving your flexibility. First, find something sturdy to hold onto for support: a chair, a countertop, or a wall. Safety first, always. Stand next to your support, holding on with one hand. Let's say you're holding on with your left hand. Plant that left foot firmly. Now, slowly bend your right knee and bring your right heel up toward your glutes. Reach back with your right hand and gently grab your right ankle or the top of your foot. If that's a bit of a struggle, don't worry. I've got a great modification for you in just a moment. The real key here is posture. Stand up tall and straight. Try to keep your knees close together, almost touching. Avoid arching your back. You should feel a gentle pull along the front of your right thigh. That's the sweet spot. It shouldn't be painful. If you feel any sharp pain, ease off right away. Hold this for about 15 to 30 seconds. Breathe deeply. Imagine sending that breath right to the muscle you're stretching, helping it to relax. After your time is up, slowly release your ankle and lower your foot back down. Now, let's switch sides. You can turn around or just move to the other side of your chair. Hold on with your right hand, plant that right foot, and slowly bring your left heel up. Grab your left ankle, keep those knees close, stand tall, and just breathe. Hold again for 15 to 30 seconds and feel that fantastic release. Modification. Listen, for a lot of us, reaching that ankle can be a challenge. That's perfectly okay. A great workaround is to use a towel or a belt. Just loop the towel around your ankle, hold the ends in your hand, and gently guide your foot up until you feel that same stretch. It gives you the extra reach without any strain. Another great option is to use a chair behind you. Stand facing away from it and place the top of your foot on the seat. Hold on to another chair or a wall in front for balance, and gently press your hips forward until you feel the stretch. It's super stable and just as effective. Fantastic work. Now for our second move, seated ankle circles. This one looks simple, but it's incredibly powerful for keeping your joints mobile and fighting the stiffness that can lead to falls. This stretch is all about helping your ankle move freely in every direction, which is exactly what you need to adapt to different surfaces. All you need is a sturdy chair, like one from your dining room. Sit up tall in the chair, with your back supported and your feet flat on the floor. Good posture helps engage your core, which is another key player in your balance. Now extend one leg. Let's start with your right, straight out in front of you, lifting it just enough so your foot is off the floor. Slowly and with control, start to rotate your ankle in a big, smooth circle. Imagine you're drawing a circle in the air with your big toe. Make sure the movement is coming from the ankle, not your whole leg. Let's do 5 circles clockwise. Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really feel that full range of motion. You might hear a little crackling, but as long as there's no pain, that's usually just gas releasing from the joint and is perfectly normal. Now let's reverse it. 5 circles counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you're done, gently lower your right leg. Now let's give that left ankle the same treatment. Extend your left leg and let's go. 5 slow circles clockwise, then 5 circles counterclockwise. The best part about this exercise? You can do it anytime you're sitting, while watching TV, reading, or on the phone. It's a perfect way to fight stiffness during your day. You've just learned 2 key stretches that build a better foundation for stability and can help lower your fall risk. The secret now is consistency. The real benefits come from making it a daily habit. Maybe you can do them first thing in the morning to get ready for the day, or in the evening while you unwind. It only takes a few minutes, but that small investment will have a huge impact on your balance and confidence. Remember to warm up a little first. Even a minute of walking in place is great. And always, always listen to your body and never push into pain. You took a real step today towards a more stable, confident, and independent life. It's easy to think that unsteadiness is just a part of getting older, but that simply isn't true. While these stretches are a fantastic starting point for flexibility, a well-rounded approach that also includes balance and strength exercises will give you the best results. You have the power to improve your balance and protect your freedom. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to your quads and ankles, you're investing in your ability to keep doing all the things you love, safely and without fear. I really hope you found this helpful, and that you're already feeling a bit more empowered. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content focused on helping you live a stronger, healthier life. And because these stretches help with our balance, be sure to watch our other video. They will continue us on our journey to confident balance through stretching. You can find the link for another great video in the box to the left. Thanks for joining me today. Keep moving, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.